December 23rd. Let's see what's the next monster truck. Okay, here we go. Let's open it up. We've got kits. Let's see what we've got today. Can you guess what we've got? It's kind of going to be small. What do you think? Thank you. It starts with an M in the name. Okay, kids. Let's see what we've got. It starts with an M. Okay. Let's see. We've got Max D. Kids, did you think about that? Okay, here's Max D. He got a body that's orange with gray chassis, black ribs, and tires with snow on. Okay, kids, it's almost the last day of this. Do you like it, kids? Yeah, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, he caught up. Oh, he got to start back at 10. Oh, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, whoa, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 20, 21, 22. 23. Here we go to the end. 24. See you kids tomorrow on the 24th day. Bye. Thanks for watching.